Sorry, Bob. Check. I showed the bitch a good time like the 70s. She called me Kid Dynamite. Born in 80s, baby, but I show her what the 90s like. We can live higher price. Just remember, stay away from snitch. Keep your ears and eyes open. Keep your grind tight. Rhymes is my grind, right? Got niggas scared of me just like 1231 of the 9 nights. Limits up in my life. I ain't really like yellow, all about the green, so I jumped in the limelight. Hungry for it, you can hear the rumble in my stomach. That's my mother. I was born through first. I hit the ground running. You just like all the mothers. Brother, you gotta crawl before you get back up. You hit the ground stumbling. No, I can't take a day off, and for the family, gotta go the way the plane take off. You kinda walk like it's getting scary. It's getting heavy, but I gotta stay on top of the kick. It's like I'm getting married. I used to want stupid bread. Now this shit retarded. I'm trying to stack more checks than my sister called it. A lot of niggas say, Rod Swag, your shit's the hardest. Now my name is Raheem, and my shit is flawless. I let them rookies rap first, so they don't hold me up. And speaking of the limelight, pass me a coconut. Split it on the side so that motherfucker open up. Green in the middle, switch it up, now that's a fucking blunt. Tell me why the fucking son got a nigga beating on his chest like he got 812s in a fucking truck. I remember being young, taught to clutch and aim it. I walk and talk real rude, excuse my fucking language. But right now, I'm really on some nice shit. I have the niggas take and fade like a dyke bitch. And ain't none of y'all able to kill game. That's like Sending able to kill Kane. You ain't able to kill Kane, so stop it, ain't gonna never happen. Walk around, come and collect and call me Studi Mackin. Unlike my man KY, them boys stay lacking. B.I.G. will have them shook and let Jay smack.